Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. So today I have a gift guide for you. I have always wanted to do a gift guide like this, but I never have before. To be honest, I don't think I've ever quite been this organised in November. And with like content creators like myself, I feel like you do have to be putting up Christmassy content in November. So if you're seeing a lot of people putting up their Christmas trees or doing Christmassy videos, I think it's just because if we waited until December, then gift guides may not be that helpful to you because you may have already got a lot of your gifts, or Christmas decoration hauls might not be that interesting because you've got your Christmas decorations. I don't know. That's kind of like how I see it, but I do feel like things have got very early this year. But anyway, I hope this is helpful. I, this year, wanted to do a hamper gift guide. So I have a hers hamper, a his hamper, which actually Ricky picked out everything in it because I thought it'd be nice to see it from a man's point of view, what he would actually pick instead of what I would pick for a guy, if that makes sense. And then I have a few wild card ones as well, which I just thought I'd add in at the end, a few like little themed ones. So yeah, I'm gonna dig straight into this one. So please excuse the fact that there is a hamper underneath this one. It was much more beautifully presented than this, but the hamper that I got from B&M, it was this one. I actually got two, as you can see, they're $5.99. And they come with all of the straw, a big cellophane bag to put in it, a ribbon, a tag, lots of things. But the straw in it is so small, it's all falling straight through the bottom everywhere. So I've put this one underneath just to catch any of that because it's making such a mess. So yeah, these hampers from B&M are $5.99, so you kind of have to factor that into your costing when you're making a hamper. And obviously you can make these as budget friendly or luxurious as you like, depending on your budget, depending on who you're buying this for. So with that in mind, this one, some of the gifts in here are actually for people for Christmas, but I got this one with a pink loving girl in mind. So it could be anyone from your best friend, your mum, your sister, like literally anyone that loves pink would love this, but you can of course tailor it to whoever you're giving the gift to. So everything in here is relatively inexpensive. They're purchased from places like B&M, Home Bargains, Matalan, TK Maxx, that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's dig straight in. So first of all, I found this little notebook from Home Bargains. It wasn't very expensive, it was about £2, and they have all of these personalised notebooks with the rose gold foiled edge, and I just thought they were absolutely lovely for the money. And who doesn't like something personalised, monogrammed? I just thought that was gorgeous. And then sticking with that stuff, because obviously these were all from the same store, I also found these monogrammed personalised candles and also makeup mirrors. These were lovely. I had to get myself one of these because I needed a makeup mirror, and obviously I got a K for myself. But yeah, I love these. They again were very inexpensive. I don't have the receipt here, but it was between £1 and £2 I think. And then the little candle, they come in these beautiful gift boxes. They are jasmine flower scented. I haven't opened this one, obviously it's a gift, so I don't know exactly how it smells. Oh, actually I can smell it through the box and it's really pretty. So again, if you have a candle lover, a floral lover, they will really enjoy this. I also popped in some cosy slippers because who doesn't want cosy slippers at Christmas? I feel like a lot of this stuff is perfect for a cosy girly day in. So these ones were just really sweet, pink with the fur lining. They're absolutely gorgeous, really soft and cosy, and I feel like they're about $3.99, $4.99, something like that. So again, really inexpensive. I also popped in some pink fizz bath salts. These were from Home Bargains. I actually found Home Bargains amazing. So yeah, these are pink fizz bath salts. They come in this nice little tin, and again I just thought it worked with the pink and the golds. Really pretty. Then I found this in TK Maxx. This was a little sleep mist and eye mask by the brand Papinel. It says Papinel Sleepwear, and it's just so beautiful. The scents in this are eucalyptus, frankincense and lavender, so I'm hoping that would be really, really nice. And it has a fluffy sleep mask. How gorgeous would that be for winter to give someone? And this set on its own is $7.99, so this could be a really nice just standalone present for somebody. What would a hamper be without some yummy treats? So I actually bought a big pack of about 9 to 12 boxes of hot chocolate. They were all different flavours, and I've mixed them up between some of the hampers. So that's a really nice thing to do. You can buy something and then add little bits of it into different hampers. So in this one I popped the classic milk chocolate flavour. I think you get like 1 hot chocolate in these, there's 20 grams, and then the fluffy mini marshmallows that came with the set. So I thought that would be perfect. And then this, for the purposes of the video, is actually my mug. I just went and grabbed it because I haven't found one for this hamper yet. This was from, I feel like this is, what is this? I feel like this is possibly an anthropology mug, but I'm not sure where it's from. But anyway, again, it's personalised, it's monogrammed, so that would be perfect if you're going for that kind of theme. But a little mug is just perfect to add in, especially when you're including like hot chocolate or drinks. Also put in some chocolates. So I put in these, which are so delicious. They are the Thornton's Caramel Shortcake Bites. I love these. And then also some Bailey's Mini Chocolate Delights. So they're Irish cream flavoured sweets, chocolates. So who, you know, I feel like this is the gift that keeps on giving. Way after Christmas you can delve into this hamper and you can just have like such a lovely relaxing evening. Talking of a relaxing evening, I put in some pampering face masks. So I've got a face ink one. This is the Sparkle Like a Unicorn face mask. It's an illuminating one. And then a Garnier Moisture Bomb, which is obviously in the name, it's very moisturising. I also got this little sign, which I actually got as a Christmas decoration, but it says love. It's made of silver beads. It's really beautiful, and I don't think something like this would just have to be a Christmas decoration. This one is from the range and it was £2.99, and I found one in TK Maxx that says Joy, and that was £2.99. So they're all around that price. They're really inexpensive, and someone could just put this on their wall or something in their bedroom, so I thought that was cute. For anyone that loves a little drink around Christmas, I popped in a little personal bottle of Prosecco. This one comes with chocolates in it, but these gift sets, which again were from Home Bargains, I thought was so lovely. So if you bought somebody a glass of wine, a glass of Prosecco, like a little miniature bottle, or even your gift to someone was a proper, you know, bottle of Prosecco, a normal sized one, you could pop with it these Prosecco cocktail mixers. So these are, you know, amazing. You get grapefruit, mango, raspberry, mandarin and orange. I've had things like this before and it just makes your drink like that a little bit better. And yeah, you could even get somebody a bottle of Prosecco, a really nice wine glass and this, and just wrap it all up, and that would make a lovely hamper on its own. And also in Home Bargains they had the cocktail shimmers, so I guess you could add that to a Prosecco and have a Prosecco shimmer, or you could do it for cocktails for Christmas, just pop it in the hamper. So someone that likes, you know, a nice cocktail, a nice glass of Prosecco, especially around this time of year, you get a raspberry flavour shimmer, a blackcurrant, blueberry and lime, and it just makes the drink look glittery and fabulous. So I thought they were so cute. Obviously it is endless what you could get someone. I think it'd be really nice to pop in a DVD, maybe some pyjamas. There is so much you could do, but I feel like everything in here came in at a reasonable price. You can set yourself a budget and then you can stick to it, and you can still make a really beautiful looking hamper. This is what it looks like on its own. Need to sort out the ribbon and stuff, but we kind of had a little bit of a disaster with the straw. So I thought you could make a pet one. This is so cute. So this is a smaller basket. I don't think, no, it didn't come with all the fluff, the straw that goes everywhere, but I bought a separate pack, and you can get like this paper stuff, which is a lot better and doesn't come out of the basket or go anywhere. All of that was from B&M or Home Bargains. I've been to so many, I kind of forget where things are from, but from one of the two. You can probably get them in both, to be honest. Obviously we have 2 dogs, so I would do 2 of these, but you may have cats or obviously other pets that you want to give a gift to this Christmas. So I thought I would just put it in this little hamper, and this is what I managed to pick up. So I got this really cute little panda toy, it squeaks, and I just feel like there's a lot of toys which are very Christmassy. There's little elves and candy canes, and if you love that kind of thing, like, go for it. But I feel like as soon as you've given it to them on Christmas Day and Christmas is over, then you don't have Christmas stuff around the house all the time. I don't know. So I just thought I'd get a non-Christmassy one, if that made sense. And then I found this little blanket, which again is quite festive. It has like a pharaoh type of print, but it's actually just paw prints and hearts. And they do need new blankets. These were really soft, and I thought these would look nice in their beds, or their bed. No, they have 2 beds now, so yeah, they would be really cute. They also have these Rawhide munchy bones. These ones say Santa paws with little paws, and I just thought they were really sweet. It would probably take Pippa about 10 years to eat one, but Miley loves chewing on things like this, so I'm sure they would like them and they would last quite a while because my dogs are small. Then you could obviously put in there a few packets of their favourite treats. These are just pedigree tasty bites. I'm sure they would love those. And then I also put this in here, which I didn't obviously get for the dog gift hamper. It's just a really cute Christmassy mug which says Holly Jolly Christmas, but you could get them a really nice Christmassy bowl for over Christmas and maybe give it to them at the start of December or something, or you could just, I don't know, like you could get them a cute little mug and let them have their Christmas Day water out of it. I don't know. I'm sure there's lots of things you could do to really make it special for your pets this Christmas. I just thought this was really cute and I didn't really have anything else to show you it in. Pretty much all of that was from Home Bargains as well. And then I made up this one, which is a bit random and a bit of a wild card, but if you want to give someone a gift and it not just be for Christmas, if maybe you know somebody this month that's not feeling great or that's not very well, then I thought you could make like a get well soon hamper for somebody. So it doesn't just have to be about giving on Christmas Day. I thought this would just really cheer someone up. So I put this little basket together. This was only £1 or £2 from Home Bargains. It does have a ribbon on the front just to try and, you know, make them smile. And inside here I put a little mug. This one was from Sainsbury's and it just says hello sunshine, just to brighten their day a little bit. And then I also put in a pack of tissues. These were from Home Bargains and I just decided to go with a mint theme, but it just is cute and it says got the sniffles on it, so it just again might just give someone a little bit of a giggle. I got some soothers. These are the honey and lemon ones. And then I also got some honey and I need to buy some lemon to go with it, like a bottle of lemon juice, or you could put in a lemon, but I guess the lemon juice would be easier when someone doesn't feel well. They may not want to cut a lemon up. Just to add into hot water and make a honey and lemon, because that always makes me feel better. So I just got this little Rouse honey. And then I also picked up a hand cream. This is just a cocoa butter one. Again, all of this pretty much was from Home Bargains, so I found it so good. This was like £1. And then also they have these very, what is it called? EOS? You know, the round lip balms. This one is not one of those, but it looks like it. It's a vanilla scented lip balm, and I just thought you can get dry lips when you don't feel very well, and just having some lip balm and some hand cream just might make you feel that little bit better. And then I popped in 2 more of the hot chocolates. So this is a vanilla flavour one and this is a peppermint flavour one. So again, just make yourself a hot chocolate, or you could make it for them when you go around and give them this gift, and it might make them feel a little bit better. And I would also probably add into that a DVD or something that they can watch whilst they're in bed and they're not feeling great. If someone did that for me, I would feel so much better already. So I just thought that was a cute one to add in at the end. It doesn't all have to be about gifts on Christmas Day. It could be just doing something nice for someone over the whole Christmas season. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching my Christmas gift guide hamper edition. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you're thinking of putting a hamper together for someone in your life, then maybe you could leave some ideas that I didn't mention in the comments below and it could help other people out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't already. The button's down there and there'll be lots more Christmassy content coming up from me over the next month or so. Thank you for watching everyone. Bye guys.